866-321-CABLE.
Shake and stir your friends with a Toastery Vodka Martini Party.
Is this the Toastery Vodka Martini Party?
5 unique vodkas fashioned into Ukraine for nearly half a century from golden grains and the purest spring waters.
Saturday at 1 on Fox 23. Fox 23.
Tornado emergency for portions of Rhode Island. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a tornado warning for Providence County in northern Rhode Island, Kent County in central Rhode Island, Washington County in eastern Rhode Island, and at 9:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a large and destructive tornado was located near Gloucester, moving eastward at 189 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for portions of Rhode Island. This is a life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Hazard: large tornado and golf ball-sized hail. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those without shelter. Mobile homes will be severely damaged or destroyed. Damage to homes, business, and streets will occur, and complete destruction is possible. Take cover now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. This tornado will be situate at 9:21 p.m. Coventry at 9:29 p.m. West Greenwich at 9:34 p.m. Exeter at 9:39 p.m. Richmond at 9:42 p.m. South Kingstown at 9:45 p.m. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to spot and confirm at night. If you wait to see or hear a tornado, it will already be too late to see shelter. To repeat, a large and destructive tornado is moving eastward at 189 miles per hour. Take cover now.